Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start inside the paused game, open settings, and navigate straight to accessibility. You do this because subtitle options live there, not under audio. Once in accessibility, scan for subtitles or closed captions and toggle the master switch to on. Make sure you apply changes immediately. Some consoles require confirming or exiting menus for the setting to save. If you plan to change language, do that here too so subtitle text matches voice acting. Now customize how subtitles look and behave so you can read them without obstruction. You can increase text size, enable a background box, and tweak opacity to keep text visible over busy scenes. You should also set subtitle language to match the audio or your preference. This prevents mismatches during cutscenes. Once adjusted, test by returning to gameplay and watching a dialogue sequence. Make incremental changes until lines are readable at all screen positions and camera angles. Finish by saving your accessibility changes and exiting to gameplay. Subtitles should now display during dialogue and cutscenes. If they don't appear, make sure the setting persisted, then restart the game or console because temporary UI cache can block updates. If problems continue, check for corrupted game files or missing language packs and reinstall only those components. As a final step, use Reset to Defaults and reapply subtitle options. This often clears confusion.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.